Right now, you're moving at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour, yet you don't feel a single bit of that speed. How is that even possible? If the Earth spins so fast, why aren't we thrown into space? The answer is far more surprising than most people think. First, let's find out just how fast Earth really spins. At the equator, Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than many airplanes. But that's only Earth's rotation. Earth is also racing around the sun at almost 107,000 kilometers per hour. And even the entire solar system is moving through our galaxy. So we're moving incredibly fast all the time. Yet your body feels perfectly still. Here's the secret. Your body doesn't actually feel speed. It feels changes in speed. Scientists call this acceleration. Imagine sitting inside a smooth airplane. Once the plane reaches a steady speed, you barely notice you're moving. But during takeoff, you feel pushed into your seat. That's acceleration. Earth spins at almost exactly the same speed every day. There's almost no sudden change for your body to detect. That's why you don't notice the motion. But wait, there's another mystery. If Earth spins, why isn't there a giant wind everywhere? The answer has everything to do with our atmosphere, and this changes everything.
Earth's atmosphere doesn't stay still while the planet spins. The air rotates with the Earth. So do the oceans, the trees, the buildings, and even you. Everything around you is already traveling at the same speed. That's why you don't feel a powerful wind from Earth's rotation. It's just like sitting inside a smoothly moving train. If the windows are closed, it feels almost motionless. But look outside, and you suddenly notice the speed. Motion is easier to notice when something around you moves differently. Earth's rotation feels invisible because everything nearby shares the same motion.
But what about gravity? Gravity is constantly pulling you toward the center of the Earth. It's much stronger than the tiny outward effect caused by Earth's rotation. That's why you stay firmly on the ground. In fact, gravity wins by a huge margin. Earth's spin does make you slightly lighter, but only a tiny bit. The effect is so small that you'd never notice it. Here's another surprising fact. People near the equator move faster than people near the poles. That's because the equator travels a much larger circle every day. At the North Pole, Earth's rotation is almost impossible to notice. Near the equator, you're moving at maximum speed. Yet both people feel exactly the same, because neither person is accelerating suddenly. Constant motion is almost impossible for your body to detect. But imagine something impossible for a moment. What if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? The results would be absolutely catastrophic. Oceans, buildings, and even the atmosphere would keep moving at incredible speed. And that's where the real danger begins. Imagine waking up tomorrow and Earth suddenly stops spinning. You wouldn't stop moving immediately. Your body would keep moving at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. Almost everything on Earth's surface would be swept across the planet. The atmosphere would continue moving too. That would create winds far stronger than any hurricane. Entire forests could be flattened. Huge waves would race across the oceans. Thankfully, this will never happen naturally. Earth's rotation changes incredibly slowly. In fact, the days are getting slightly longer over millions of years. The moon is one of the reasons. Its gravity creates ocean tides. Those tides slowly steal a tiny bit of Earth's rotational energy. But don't worry, the change is incredibly tiny. It's only about a couple of milliseconds every 100 years. Humans will never notice it in everyday life. So yes, Earth is slowing down, but only at an unbelievably slow rate. Here's another surprising question. If Earth spins, why do airplanes land exactly where they're supposed to? Shouldn't the Earth rotate underneath them? The answer is the airplane is already moving with Earth's rotation, just like you are. That's why pilots don't need to chase the runway. Physics takes care of that for us. Nature follows some incredible rules. And one final fact ties everything together. The truth is, you've been spinning with Earth since the day you were born. Every breath you take happens on a moving planet. Every step you take is carried along by Earth's rotation. But because everything around you moves together, it feels completely normal. Your brain focuses on changes, not constant motion. That's one of the most amazing tricks of human perception. Without realizing it, you're part of an incredible cosmic journey. Earth spins, orbits the sun, and the solar system races through the galaxy. Altogether, you're traveling through space at astonishing speeds every second. And yet, you can peacefully enjoy a cup of coffee. That's the beauty of physics. The universe follows simple rules, even when they seem unbelievable. Once you understand those rules, everyday life becomes much more fascinating. So the next time someone asks, why don't we feel the Earth spinning? You'll know it's because we're all moving together at a nearly constant speed, and our bodies only notice acceleration, not steady motion. Sometimes the strangest questions have the simplest answers, and that's what makes science so exciting. Every ordinary moment hides an extraordinary story. All you have to do is ask why. What question should we explore next? Tell us your idea in the comments below. We might feature your question in our next video. If you enjoyed learning something new today, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Minddrift for more fascinating science and everyday mysteries, because curiosity is the first step toward understanding the universe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next mystery.